Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make your drive appear on your MacBook. This is useful if your hard drive or your external drive isn't showing up on the desktop or in Finder. So first, click anywhere on your desktop to open Finder. Then look at the top left corner of your screen and click Finder. Now click Settings or Preferences depending on your macOS version. A new window will pop up with Finder options. Under the General tab, check the boxes for hard disks and external disks. Your drive should now appear on the desktop. Next, click the Sidebar tab. Make sure that hard disks and external disks are also checked here. Now, open Finder and look in the sidebar. Your drive should now be visible and accessible. And that's it. Your drive is now showing on your MacBook. If the drive still doesn't appear, unplug and reconnect it or try a different USB port. And that's how to show your drive on your MacBook. A quick and easy fix if your drive is hidden or missing. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more Mac tutorials.